Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Hisense HS2100 soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar. This soundbar is called the Beast. 240 watts audio power, Dolby audio, DTS, TV mode. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This soundbar got 3 speakers and 6 equalizer settings. So let's check this stuff out. It will help to unleash your TV sound. This soundbar can hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer. This is the information pack. Here we go. This is very sleek and light. It's not heavy. Accessories are in here. This is brilliant stuff, very light. There we go, and see what it looks like. And the power cable goes in here. You have aux port, USB, HDMI and optical. This soundbar is very light. The Beast, 240 watts audio power, 6 equalizer mode, Bluetooth 5.3, super powerful bass, ease play, multi connection, TV mode, ultra slim subwoofer and TV mate. HS series 2.1 channel soundbar, DTS and Dolby audio. Hisense, the Beast. This is the subwoofer here, very slim. Brilliant. Look at that. So this, you got black clothing here. The rest is covered with plastic, and at the back here you switch this off and reset it from here. The power cable goes in here. Now what is in here? The accessories. So you have HDMI cable included in the packaging, which is handy. This is power cables, the 2 power cables. One is for soundbar, the other one is for subwoofer, and battery. also the remote control. So we start with, we put the battery first. So you take the negative to the top right. So when you are holding the remote control, so the negative go to the top right and the positive at the bottom. Then on the left side, the negative be on the bottom, the positive be on the top. Then after that, then push this up to close it. Now this is the power cable. So take one of the power cable, go at the back, push it inside it, then plug it onto the socket. Then take this one as well. Go at the back of the subwoofer, push it inside, plug it. Then plug it onto the power socket. So we're going to measure this soundbar from this end to this end is 80 centimeter. You can call it length. This is 9 centimeter. So length is 80 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter width. And the subwoofer from the front to the back is 35 centimeter. From front to the back is 35 centimeter. This is 11 centimeter. Then from the top or height is 30 centimeter. This soundbar deserves your attention. You can also switch this off and on from this button, and this button here is the input plus for you to increase the volume, minus is for you to decrease the volume. You select the input, Bluetooth, USB, okay, AUX if you haven't got the remote control. But you can also select this from the remote control. Okay, this soundbar deserves your attention. It's beautiful, very sleek, the beast. It helped unleash your TV sound. This gear deserves your attention. So what I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar. This is Hisense HS2.1 channel soundbar, HS2100 soundbar. This soundbar, you can hook it up to your TV via optical cable, HDMI and Bluetooth. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. What I want to do now is to show you how to connect this to your TV using optical cable. So switch off the soundbar and unplug it from the power. Then you take the optical cable, go in to optical. So go take the cable and push it to the optical, and this is in. And take this end of the cable, go to your TV where it's written optical digital audio out. Push the cable inside and it's in. Now plug the power cable for the TV, plug the soundbar to the socket, and also plug the subwoofer to the power. Now switch the soundbar on.
Power on.
Power on. Then use the input to select optical.
USB. aux, optical,
optical. Now switch the TV on. Okay, the TV is on. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to go to your TV settings. This is the TV audio. Okay, this is the TV audio. So go to the TV settings. Scroll down to the sound. And it's showing us now TV speaker. Okay, sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out. Scroll to the side to optical. Optical out device, select on it. This soundbar is connected, and when it's in the optical, then you use the remote control for the soundbar to increase the volume. This is the audio. Okay, so when it's in optical, like I said, you use the soundbar remote control to increase the volume, but this soundbar is connected, and this is the audio. Take the HDMI cable to the back where it's written HDMI ARC. So push the cable inside it, and it's in. Now take the other end of the cable. It's written HDMI ARC. Hook the cable, and it's in. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to plug the soundbar to the power, plug the TV, and plug the subwoofer to the power. Once soundbar and subwoofer are linked together, you will see a steady blue light showing you that the soundbar and subwoofer are linked together. Now the next thing to do, you need to switch this soundbar on.
Power on.
It will tell you power on. So you need to select HDMI. HDMI. Okay. Now switch the TV on. Okay, and the TV this is the TV. This is actually connected, but I want us to do is we need to go to the TV settings. Scroll down to the sound. And it's showing us now HDMI ARC device. You need to select on it. If you are doing this for the first time, okay, you need to select, go to the sound, then you need to scroll to the side where it's written HDMI. You can see optical, Bluetooth, HDMI ARC device. You need to select on it. Soundbar now is connected via HDMI ARC. You can increase the volume using the TV remote or soundbar remote control. What I want to do now is to show you how to hook this up to your TV via Bluetooth. So what we need to do is first of all, switch off the soundbar and unplug the cables. So this is HDMI cable. I want to remove it, unplug it, and also unplug it from the back of your TV. Now the next thing to do is you need to plug back the soundbar, plug the subwoofer to the power, and also plug the soundbar to the power. Okay, now switch the soundbar on.
Power on.
It will tell you power on.
HDMI.
Then you need to select Bluetooth. Bluetooth. It will tell you Bluetooth pairing. You can also select this from the top. If you haven't got the remote control, you can select the function from here, from the top as well.
Power on.
Power on.
USB. aux, optical,
HDMI, Bluetooth. So you can select this from the top as well if you haven't got the remote control. The remote control is included in the packaging. Now this soundbar is in Bluetooth. We need to Bluetooth pairing. We need to switch the TV on. So use the gear button to select the settings. Now scroll down to the sound, and the sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out. Now scroll to the side to Bluetooth, and you can see Bluetooth device. You need to scroll down to device list and select enter. It will start to look for available Bluetooth device. Here we go. Hisense 2100 is available. You need to scroll up to select, okay, and select enter. Now it's connecting.
Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth connected, and it will show you.
Now they are at
Can see the difference.
They certainly are, as is borrowing.
So this is how to hook
The
this
idea that
up.
we can tax and spend our way out of the problems we've got, I don't think is right. We do need to.
Now, when it's in the Bluetooth, you can control the volume using the soundbar and the TV remote control.
Well, we haven't heard the detail. So the challenge we've got, and I go back to what I was saying earlier, both are party set.
With this remote control, you can select equalizer.
If I may, if I read everything I think that Grace was talking about, which is
Music.
It will tell you music.
ordinary people's.
This is music.
Growth from the bottom.
Movie.
Movie. So you can select the equalizer depending on particular program you are watching. You select the equalizer and also select surround.
Surround.
Then you can also select bars and treble.
Developers and a small cartel.
Increase the bars by selecting plus.
It's a tragedy, I'm afraid to say, and I'm not going to excuse us, it's a tragedy that people think
This soundbar deserves your attention. Now I want us to go to YouTube. So select homes, then scroll down to the apps. Go to YouTube, select enter. Woofer. This is movie. One remote control and surround sound expansion.
Movie. News.
Via Bluetooth. This is news and optical cable. I must say optical.
News. Game.
This is game. And also show you how to hook this up to your TV using optical. Beautiful. This soundbar from this end to this end is 64 centimeter.
Game. Sport.
Now this soundbar you can also control sports.
Night.
Night. Select. Switch this off. Can see the night is low.
Night. Music.
Music. To alternate from Bluetooth to optical option. Okay. This is the soundbar remote. Now this soundbar and this is got 40 watts TV remote. So you can control the volume using the two remote control. Getting more out of your movie. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.